What are the criteria for a person to go to paradise, for a person to attain Jannah? And the answer to this question is given in Surah Al-Asr, chapter number 103, verse number 1 to 3, where Allah says, Wal Asr, Innal insana lafi khusr, illa allazina amanu, wa amilu salihati, wa tawasaw bil haqqi wa tawasaw bis sabr. By the token of time, man is verily in a state of loss, except those who have faith, those who do righteous deeds, those who exhort people to truth, and those who exhort people to patience and perseverance. For a person to attain P3, he has to do P4. P3 is, first P is the pleasure of Allah. To attain the pleasure of Allah, peace in this world, and paradise in the hereafter, to attain these 3 P, you have to do 4 Ps. The first P is the purity of faith. Second P is piety, righteous deeds. Third P is propagation, inviting people to truth. And the fourth P is patience and perseverance. Invite people to patience and perseverance. For any human being to attain the pleasure of Allah and peace in this world and paradise in the hereafter, he should have Iman, that is purity of faith. He should have Amal-e-Salihat, righteous deeds, piety. He should have Watawasaw bil-Haq. He should do Watawasaw bil-Haq, invite people to the truth, that is do propagation. And Watawasaw bis-Sabr, invite people to patience and perseverance. To attain 3 Ps, you should follow the 4 Ps.